How can Air Guard units fund combat support equipment? Imagine a scenario where the readiness of an air unit depends on having the right tools at the right time. Funding for combat support equipment is a critical aspect of maintaining operational effectiveness. Air National Guard units have several avenues to secure the necessary resources for their missions. One primary method involves allocations from federal budgets designated for military operations and readiness. These funds are appropriated annually by Congress and can be directed toward specific needs such as aircraft maintenance tools, communication systems, or mobility equipment. Another significant source of funding comes from the Department of Defense through the National Guard Bureau. The Bureau manages budget requests and distributes funds to individual units based on their strategic priorities and operational requirements. These allocations often cover procurement, upgrades, and sustainment of combat support assets. Additionally, Air National Guard units can receive funding through joint programs with active duty components, which facilitate shared resources and cost-sharing arrangements for equipment that benefits both entities. Grants and special appropriations also play a role in funding combat support equipment. These can include grants from the Department of Defense or other federal agencies aimed at enhancing national security capabilities. For example, grants may be awarded for the development of new communication technologies or mobility solutions that support combat readiness. Fundraising efforts and partnerships with state governments or private organizations can supplement federal funding. Some units engage in community outreach or participate in defense industry collaborations to secure additional resources. These efforts often focus on acquiring specialized equipment that might not be covered under traditional budgets. Finally, the process of funding often involves detailed planning and justification. Units must demonstrate the operational need and strategic value of the equipment to secure approval. This includes submitting budget proposals, conducting cost-benefit analyses, and aligning requests with national defense priorities. Through these combined efforts, Air Guard units can effectively fund the combat support equipment necessary to fulfill their missions and maintain national security.